everyone, this is Tina. Nice to see you again. The back-to-school season is coming soon. As we know, this is the second biggest purchasing season compared to every year's Christmas holiday. Mommies and daddies will start to prepare the stationery and daily use items for their kids to school. At this time, a unique personalized item for them would be amazing. So today, we would like to share with you our Sublimation Kids Collection products. Loppo always develop items by collections, and selling them in collection can give clients more choices and sometimes some guidance too. So let's get started for today's introduction. We will introduce plastic water bottle, stainless steel bottle, lunchbox, notebook, alarm clock, pencil case, linen pencil roll, lunch bag, and backpack. When kids go to school, they will spend much time there. At this time, they will need the water bottle and the lunchbox. You know, drinking water in time is really important. And we have the plastic water bottle. It is 730 milliliter, big volume, 2 colors available, pink and blue, which are the most popular colors among kids' products. This bottle has a special lid. The lid can be used as a cup with handle. Also, it has a textile strap for easy carrying. For the plastic lunchbox, the size is 18.2 by 12.4 by 5.8 centimeter. It has large capacity, which can contain enough food for a kid's lunch. Also, 2 colors available, pink and blue. They comes with aluminum insert for sublimation. We can print kids' names on it to distinguish it from others, or print the cartoon pictures that kids love on the printed part. They will be very happy to see and use them every day, and then drink and eat well. Both the plastic water bottle and lunchbox are made of food-grade material, FDA approved, very safe to use. There are also stainless steel water bottles, made of food-grade 304 stainless steel material. The big advantage is double-wall insulated, and it can keep the water warm or cold for 6 to 12 hours. This one is a traditional and always hot-selling one, 300 milliliter, pink and blue colors available, with bear-shaped lid. Is so cute. And this CP cup is the new one that we developed. As many clients ask about this tap, it's 350 milliliter. One is with blue and green lid, the other is with purple and pink lid. Children would attracted by their multi-colors. Also, the CP cup would help kids to drink water more frequently. As we know, drinking water in time is so important. At school, kids will need to study, writing or drawing. They also have to take notes when having class. At this time, the notebook is very necessary. We have 2 types of notebook. The first one is linen cover notebook. It is in A6 size, with black line inner page and blank page for your choice. This is very hot selling on the market. The linen cover touches well with high quality. Actually, not only students, teachers and office people love this notebook. Second one is the plastic cover notebook. There are different sizes for your choice, A4, A5, and A6. They are most popular and usable sizes for daily study. For the cover, we have glossy and matte finish. We can do the printing on the PET plastic cover, and inside, there are also blank one, and the other is with black line. What will wake you up in the morning? I guess for almost adults, we use alarm app on our mobile phone, while for kids, a nice alarm clock is in need. So here is our glowing LED cubic digital alarm clock. This one is the best-selling item among all of our kids' products. It not only has calendar and temperature function, also has 3-size coated aluminum sheet for sublimation. What's more, it can glow and change colors in the dark. Very beautiful and interesting. Kids would love to use it. as it's really special compared to the common clock. Let this alarm clock start every bright new day. Kids are full of imagination and like to draw. This wooden pencil case with colorful pencils inside will be a nice choice for a gift to the kids. For this wooden pencil case, each one comes with an MDF insert to sublimate. The MDF insert has very nice printing effect. There are 3 different shapes and sizes. The first one has 12 pieces colorful pencils inside, and this slimmer one comes with 8 pieces colorful pencils. For the cube one, it's in size 10 by 10 by 10 cm. This can be used as a storage box, like for some erasers and little stuffs. Put it on the desk and make your desk clean and tidy. Some people may think the wooden pencil case is a little heavy when carrying, so we also have a linen pencil roll. It is thick, durable, and with vintage style. Put your pens inside and roll it over. It won't take too much space in your backpack. A very nice choice. Metal tin box is also a perfect gift for kids. It will be a good storage box, like for pens, rulers, erasers, or some little ornaments. There are 3 colors for choice: blue, pink, and silver. There is an extra aluminum insert for sublimation. Print a lovely image of your favorite cartoon character on would make it special. There is a very traditional and always hot-selling pencil case that we call it Oxford material pencil case. It has a flap, which is convenient and safe for holding pens. The first one is the traditional one. The white polyester is for sublimation. There are 4 colors available: black, red, pink, blue. And this one is the relative new tab. There are 2 colors available too, blue and pink. The textile pencil case is washable and soft to be used. When kids go to school, they need to carry stuffs, just like the above products we introduced. So here goes our lunch bag and backpack. They are made of Oxford material too. This is very durable material. For the lunch bag, it's in smaller and cute size. It can hold a lunchbox. And the backpack is larger, which can hold all stationery items and books. There are blue, red, pink, and hot pink colors for your choice. Think about it. If your kid has a series of school supplies with own personalized design, how amazing it would be. That's our introduction for today's back-to-school collection. As we always say, children are our country's future, and the education for them is very important. We always want to give them the better thing and build a happy and interesting for them to make them grow better and better. Hope today's introduction is helpful to you.